Om Sai Ram, welcome to Shady Sai Bhakti YouTube channel. Today we are sharing one more experience of a devotee, how Baba's Udi and reading Sri Sai Satcharitra healed a devotee. So what happened was this devotee was very upset from life and very upset from her situations. One fine day she was crying and she kept crying continuously from morning to evening, like after a particular interval she would again cry, and she broke down like as if she had met hell. So tears rolled her eyes and she had a very bad day. But after all these things, what happened was in evening time she started having headache, and this headache was not due to any weather change or anything else. It was just because of she had taken tension, like she took a lot of tension and she had cried the whole day. So if you are like this, then obviously your head starts aching and all. Although she had taken a nap in the afternoon, still she was feeling very bad. So what happened was, now in the evening time, as this devotee you used to read Sri Sai Satcharitra in morning as well as in evening. So what happened was, in evening she went inside the puja room where she sits in front of Baba and reads Sri Sai Satcharitra. And also she had decided that today I will not take Udi. Why I won't take Udi is because every day I take and then my problems are healed up. But today I will not take Udi because not just the physical problems have to fade away, but the miseries of the life should also fade away. That is why I'll not take Udi now. So she sat down to do Paran. When she sat down to do Paran, all of a sudden, after some time, after reading one or two chapters, she started having headache. But the headache was, see, no, sorry, she was already having a headache. She started feeling thirsty. Suddenly she started feeling thirsty, and this thirst was to an extent that she couldn't control. So she had to get up. She went in the kitchen, she took a glass of water. And as she took a glass of water, because before consuming anything, she offers it to Baba. So she thought, why not, if I'm doing Paran, let me offer it to Baba and then I'll drink the water. So she took the glass inside the puja room where she was sitting and she put it in front of Baba. And don't know what happened, as if she had completely forgotten that she won't take Udi today. She added Udi in that water. Absent mindedly, she added Udi. So it was not absent mindedly, it was Baba's Leela who made her forget her promise that she won't take Udi. And she added the Udi she had in the water, and then she drank and she forgot everything. And then again she continued doing her Paran and she read 5 or 6 chapters. After that, she stood up, all her puja and rituals were done. She went out for a walk and all. Then, when she sat down at night, relaxing on her bedroom, on the bed, obviously, she noticed that my headache, which I was having from morning time, and those bad feelings, and sometimes we feel very ill because of our mental issues also, had faded away. Headache was all completely healed up, and she was very relaxed and very silent and peaceful. So then she realized how Baba and his Udi and reading of Sri Sai Satcharitra brought peace in her life, and at the same time the merciful Udi once again healed her headache, because that headache was severe. So this was one experience, and how she, all of a sudden while doing Paran, she was thirsty, and all those experiences she could recollect how beautifully Baba healed her. So this was a beautiful experience, how reading Sri Sai Satcharitra can give you peace, and drinking Udi water will heal all your diseases, may it be mental or physical or whatever problems you have. Udi is a blessing. Therefore, when you get time, do read Sri Sai Satcharitra, no matter whether you read just one page, but read it full by your heart and dedication, and you'll feel the change in your life. Jai Sai Ram, stay blessed.